Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn this $4 fence picket into a birdhouse. Here we go. All right, start by cutting down 14 inches from the top. Now measure another 7 inches and cut it at a 45-degree angle. Now make another one just the same size. Now measure another 6 1/4 inches. Measure another 7 1/4 inches and cut that at a 45-degree angle vertically. Now take your leftover piece, and that is all the pieces you need to construct your birdhouse. Now we're going to assemble it, and for this I'm going to use 1-inch screws, but you can just as easily use nails. So your top piece should go on the back, then your 2-edged piece can go on the sides, and then your 6 1/4 piece can go on the bottom, and then your 7 1/4 piece can go on the front, and then your last piece can go on the top, just like this. Since cedar is a soft wood, I would advise pre-drilling your holes. Now we're going to flip it over and do the other side. Now finally for the top. Now you may be wondering how those birds are going to get in. Well, I have a solution for it. Now we'll just give it a little bit of a massage. Well, there you go. I just showed you how to turn a $4 fence picket into a beautiful birdhouse. Well, guys, if you like this video, I think you might like some of my others, so I'll put my woodworking playlist right here. And if you want to subscribe, I will put that right here. Thank you for watching. I will see y'all next time.